starting with then sequences and series, right? So first we are starting with sequences. I hope whiteboard is visible to you.
Yes.
All right. Sequences. If in general I ask you what is the meaning of a sequence, in general, like you just consider this as a English word. What do you understand by sequence?
It's usually consisting of a pattern or a way to continue a pattern. That's usually how I see when.
Okay. So basically you are trying to give me the mathematics definition only.
Yes.
Right? Okay, so what I understand from the definition which you have given is that you try to see sequences as like some pattern, some
Yeah.
numbers which are written according to some pattern, right?
Yes.
So I am just going to write down list of numbers. I don't say that it's a sequence or it's not a sequence. I'm just going to write down the list of numbers. You will have to tell me whether that list of numbers gives you a sequence or not. Fine?
Okay.
For example, right, let me write this first.
So
Yes. Yeah. So out of these three, let's talk one by one. Just tell me the first one. Is this a sequence?
yes.
Okay. If it is a sequence, so some pattern must be in your mind, and you can tell me the fifth term, right?
Yes.
Can you tell me the
Um,
fifth term in this case?
10,
All right. And then next,
12.
12. So, because you could see that each number which we are getting is plus 2
That's
to its preceding term. So, whatever term if I ask you to find in this case, you can find, right? All
yes.
right. Tanya, is second a sequence?
Yes, it is.
Oh, really? Tell me the next number then.
Um, this one is 13,
Oh, very good. Next,
15.
on what basis you are telling me 15?
You skip one number each time.
No, no.
So it's add
Tanya,
one.
no,
So
say
wait, no,
this.
no,
If
no.
you are saying plus
One.
1, but then I am adding 2. Again, I
Oh,
have added 2. Then
2.
I have added 4. What is this happening?
Oh, is it? It can't be Fibonacci. It's Fibonacci.
Is it Fibonacci?
2 plus 3 is 5.
Yes. Then don't you
7.
think in Fibonacci, this number has to be sum of all these numbers? Which
It
is not
does.
the case. It is not at all Fibonacci.
All right.
But I must tell you, Tanya, number 13, which you have given is correct. Absolutely correct. Just think in that way. Have you ever heard about composite and prime numbers?
Yes.
So tell me, it is a sequence of which numbers?
It's a sequence of prime numbers.
Exactly. So after 13, what shall I write? After 13, which prime number comes? Hmm?
Not 16. Would it be 17, 13, 17, 13?
Yes, Tanya, 17 is correct. Because 14 is divisible by 2, 15 is divisible by 3, 16 is divisible by 2. Anyway, even number, though, there is only one prime even number, which is 2, right? So you get 17. Acha, may I ask you the next prime number?
That would be 19.
Exactly, it is 19 and so on, right? So you think that it is, can I say this list of numbers is a list of prime numbers. So therefore, it is a sequence. Can we say that?
Yes.
Okay, so according to you, this is a sequence, this is a sequence. How about third one?
Um, I haven't exactly gotten the chance to think about that one, but I would say it's a sequence. I just haven't figured out the sequence of the
Okay, so
number.
you are saying that though pattern you can't see that on, on what rule the numbers are progressing in the list, but you think that it's a sequence.
No, I don't. I don't. I
Okay,
don't
you
think
don't
so.
think so. It's okay, don't worry. All right. See, first of all, these two answers which you said are sequences are absolutely correct. Okay. If this list of numbers I write like this, is this a sequence now? I have written
No,
all these numbers till 12, something in here like this. Is this a
no,
sequence? Still sequence?
no,
It is not a sequence. Even this, Tanya, I have simply written numbers without thinking about any pattern. There is no pattern at all that on the basis of which I can tell you, okay, what is fifth, this term. There is no pattern. Still, it is a sequence. It is a sequence. Why, ma'am? Because sequence has nothing to do with the pattern. Sequence is just an ordered list of numbers. Sequence is an
or the list of
ordered
numbers.
list of numbers. Okay,
Yes.
ordered. Why am I saying ordered? Like here, Tanya, you said, na, ki, ma'am, this is not a sequence. Reason being, if I see this, then Tanya, we can't say na which number is at first place, which number is at second place, which one is third, and so.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why this is not a sequence. But yes, this is a sequence. We can see that first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 6, and so. Same way, we can tell here, first term is 12, second term is -2, third is 2, fourth is 6, and so. So therefore, it is a sequence. Wherever you can position the numbers, and it's not just about numbers. For example, Tanya, if I have a class of 20 students, right? One thing is this, that I just made them sit. If I make them sit in a group, then they are not sitting in a sequential order. But the moment I ask you, okay, you just sit according to your roll numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so, then I say that they are sitting in a sequential order.
Mm-hmm.
Understood? So wherever, so basically an ordered list of numbers, all elements, all numbers, okay, elements in general, or numbers in mathematics, we say. All numbers are written, are not written, are separated with the help of commas. Yes?
Yes.
Shall I go to next slide?
Of course.
Okay. See this now. For example, let me just talk about the sequence, this which we wrote first. Here, Tanya, in general, you will see the first term is denoted by A1. You will see in some books they are using A1, basically small letters, okay? U1
Yes.
or P1. First term, all right? Same way, if I ask you, Tanya, what is the second term? Okay, so second term, you are not going to write, ma'am, second term is 4. Come on, this is not English exam, this is maths. So